Hi, you can join me as I teach one of my students how to play keyboard musical instrument from the scratch. The keyboard instruments are musical instruments with balls of keys, which are used for production of music. Let's proceed to the names of keys on the keyboard. The keyboard is arranged in 2 black keys to 3 black keys. As you can see on this keyboard, here is 2 black keys, 2 black, then the next 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on. Introduction of alphabet in music. Alphabet in music are 7 letters, namely letter A to letter G. A, no, not yet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So when we get to letter G, we start all over from letter A. So now it's time to introduce alphabet in music on the keyboard. On this keyboard, the first letter, as you can see these 2 blacks, here is C. Please, can you show me C on the keyboard? C. Yes, the next C. Yes. C. C. Yes. C. Yes, thank you. So when you see 2 blacks on the keyboard, the first white on your left is what? C. Here is 2 blacks, the first white here is C. 2 blacks, the first white here is C. 2 blacks, the first white is C. 2 blacks, the first one, yeah, thank you. And so on. So if this is C, alphabetically this will be what? D, E, F. Meaning that to identify F on the keyboard, when you see 3 blacks, you can see 3 blacks, the first white is what? F. Show me the next F. F, thank you. Show me the next F. 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 F, yes. Yes, thank you. So meaning that this is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. So when we get to letter G, we start all over from letter A. Thank you. For example, this is C, C here, D, E, F, G. Then we start all over from letter A. So which is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Now let's go to the black keys. As you can see here, between C and D, there's a black key here. So this black key is known as C sharp or D flat. It's called C sharp or D flat. The next black key that is between D and, this is D, right? And this is what? E. It's called D sharp or E flat. Then the next black key here is between F and G. It's called what? F sharp or G flat. Then the next black key here is between G and A. It's called G sharp or A flat. We have the next black key which is between A and B. It's called A sharp or B flat. Then back to C, and so on. Is there any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.